Hey YouTube, this is Jared with Omnivore Blade-works. I wanted to show you a couple of things that are coming down the pipe. I took, this is Christmas Eve 2014, and I took some tomahawks to a local CNC machine shop and having them machined. So I'll be working on tomahawks in the near future. But in the meantime, I am both finishing up swords and things, but I'm also working on some fun new stuff. You can see here on this row is the Tanuki Tanto, and I'm going to be making quite a few of these, I think. It's more of a traditional blade shape, but it does have a significant false edge, which is pretty sharp. And then in the same with the same handle, we got the new Raven, heavy duty, which will have the handle and full tang and grind geometry that is, or blade geometry that is a little stronger than you can see this lightweight model. This is the Raven LT, and it's going to be hollow ground. You can see that I've ground the tang as well, so that I can slip a handle over it. And this is one of the first neat products that I've made with a 3D printer. This is the prototype, this is a PLA plastic, and then what I plan on doing is having a guard made with a water jet cutter out of stainless steel or maybe brass, and then either printing or making a handle out of micarta, slipping it over, gluing it together, and then using one rivet, or either a hollow rivet or a barrel nut with some 6 screws, put the handle on. And then I'm also planning to do another guard, which will be a D handle, like a trench knife. Same blade, just a different guard, and a handle that has just a little bit of inletting in here so that I can split this piece of guard material, which I'll probably make full thickness, and then pin that in place. And then I'll have a nice little trench knife. Then you can see, for comparison, the original Baby Crow, which is, this one happens to be a taper tang, and that's going to get a handle on it. And then the new Baby Crow lightweight will have the full tang, or the partial tang, hidden tang, and it'll just have either a micarta or 3D printed ABS plastic handle. So it'll be really lightweight, and I'll probably end up doing the same thing, following this hollow grind all the way down to the end of the tang, shave more weight off. So this one you'd have a 1/4 inch thick blade, hollow ground, very, very sharp. I'll probably take this down to 0 after it's heat treated, and then it'll just be like a razor. And being bainite, heat treat, it'll be really tough too. Other things that I'm working on in the same genre as this trench knife is a sort of a knuckle duster concept. This is a handle that's based on my Megalodon or my dire wolf, and it's just going to be a little tighter D guard for your fingers, guard your knuckles, and then might figure out a way to use this blade and insert that into here, or just have it cut off to be just a set of impact tool. Real simple. Probably make it light. Maybe make it out of aluminum, or just print it. 3D printed knuckle dusters. Heck, maybe I'll just open source the file, and if you have a printer, you can just print it yourself. So I'm working on that too. There's other projects, but they're secret right now. So if you're waiting for a Kodiak, I still have some Kodiaks, and I got some handles. These guys are still sitting over here. One guy tried to email me about this bronze one, but I couldn't email him back, so email me from some server like Gmail or something, and that way I get your messages. Probably going to be working on sheaths tomorrow, Christmas Day, and or just through the holidays, and just try to get some of these things ready to ship out. I didn't want to deal with the post office at this time of year. Anyway, this wall still hasn't changed much. I haven't shipped much anything lately, so hopefully we can change that up. So give me a buzz. I'm going to be busy with the shop stuff, of course, but I'd like to move some of these items out of here soon so I can pay my rent. Alright, that's all I got for you.